This $27.5 million waterfront estate sits on one of the most expensive blocks of land in Perth. With over an acre and a half of waterfront land in the most expensive suburb in Perth, this estate showcases the best of what Dalkeith has to offer. Welcome to this extraordinary waterfront estate nestled along Perth's Swan River. A place of tranquility and luxury, this remarkable property offers a unique and inviting living experience. This private oasis, located on a serene cul-de-sac, boasts more than just breathtaking views. It is a haven of peace and comfort. Designed by renowned architect Jeffrey Summerhays and updated by Andrew Borton, this exclusive retreat offers direct river access and is perfect for water enthusiasts with its own boat storage. Set on an expansive 6,400 square metres across 6 tidals, the property boasts lush gardens, a floodlit tennis court, and a resort-style pool with a swim-up bar. Inside, you'll find a gymnasium, a billiards room, a sauna, and a remarkable 10,000 bottle wine cellar with a tasting room. The heart of this home is a stunning granite kitchen, complete with a chiller room, and for movie nights, there's a cozy home theatre to enjoy. This spacious abode offers multiple formal and informal living and dining areas, a study for work, and a dedicated children's playroom. With underground parking for up to 12 cars and enhanced security, including thick limestone privacy walls and infrared CCTV, this exceptional estate provides the ultimate in comfortable and safe living.